slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I'm the perfect kid.
No, oh no, Splink, you are not the perfect kid. Oh no, anybody would dare you, you would do it.
What do you?
I remember you were in kindergarten and I told you don't ever throw your food away because you have to eat your lunch.
Oh,
Well, one day,
oh, please, this story.
yep,
Oh,
I
please.
went and I was standing there and you were hanging out with your friends and you went and you dropped that sandwich in the garbage. And guess what I made you do? Do you remember?
Oh yeah,
I remember.
big deal.
I made him go in the garbage, get his sandwich out, and eat it. I said, we do not throw away food.
Yeah.
I remember.
Yeah.
And from that point forward, Splink has never thrown anything ever away.
Yep.
Correct.
Oh, we know.
Okay, Dad, nice angle. Mom, you're in the way. You're in the way. Move. 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Cannonball! Oh my gosh.
Whoa,
tsunami alert!
Woo! He went. He did it. He did it.
What did she do?
What is Mom doing? Oh, she's. Oh, the waves are sweeping her
Stop.
away. The waves are sweeping her away.
Wait, stop it, wait!
Is anyone else gonna jump in? No. Okay, that's okay. At least
Okay, your turn, Maz.
At least my parents support me.
Maz's turn.
Say, come on, bro.
Yeah, Mom's turn.
All those thousands of streams I've done with you, and you say I don't support you.
Romy,
Okay.
you.
Cruz, come on.
Romy or
Okay.
Cruz has to jump in. Or
No,
nobody.
I can't.
Bro, I lost
Oh my
1,000
gosh.
subs.
You lost 1,000
I lost
subs.
1,000,
No,
Cruz.
Snake, I can't jump in. I'm going to
Cruz,
the movie with my friend
Cruz,
after this. I can't jump in.
Cruz, I think you literally have to do it, Cruz.
Okay, this echo from Splink is so annoying.
I muted Splink. I
Where's
muted him.
his phone?
Okay, I muted Splink too.
Cruz.
Hey,
You're my-
Splink, you gotta mute.
You're our only. No, I muted him. It's fine. You're our only hope, Cruz.
What do I get out of this?
Wait, Cruz, someone in my chat spelled your name Kroose.
Wow.
What do you get out of this, Cruz?
Yeah, what do I get?
Why can't you just do it because you love me?
So you're telling me you would jump in the pool for me?
Yeah, I would.
No, the heck you would not.
I have before. You've pushed me in when we were streaming.
Oh,
Remember?
I actually have done that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was your stream.
Cruz, I'm
When
gonna
you
come
push
up
me in.
and get you.
No,
Come
you're
on,
not.
Cruz. Cruz, we are 1,000 subs away. Everybody's waiting. It's all up
Everybody's
to you.
waiting for you, Cruz.
Come on, Cruz.
All right. If you. Oh, fuck.
he's trying to figure out.
Come on, Cruz.
He's
I'll
trying
go
to,
get you a smoothie. I'll go get you a smoothie. Come on.
he's
What?
He's trying to figure out a way out of this.
I bet. Steak, you gotta come to World Cup game with me though.
Okay, you buy the
Oh.
tickets.
No.
So you want me to buy
Cruz!
my own
Cruz,
tickets?
I'll go get you lunch. Come on. I'll go get you
Wait,
lunch.
I already got one. Or you
You
gotta go to Japan with us, and I'll do it.
Why do you want me to go to
Cruz, are you
Japan
going to
with
Japan?
you?
Maybe.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
'Kay.
exactly.
Oh no, I will, but it'll be hard to stream.
It's gonna be really hard to stream. All right, count them down, Cruz.
They can't even see me.
Now go
Yeah.
on the diving
Go
board.
jump off the diving board.
Yeah, go on the
Chat,
diving board.
can you even see me?
Yeah, go on
Yeah,
the
we
diving
can.
board, Italian
Yeah, they
brain
can
rot.
see you.
Go on the diving
Go on
board.
the diving board. Go do the diving board.
Why?
Okay,
We're playing Bendy.
this is it, chat.
Sugar's gotta go in the pool.
Everybody,
No,
okay,
no.
everybody sub right when he does it. Get
Oh my
ready.
gosh.
Get ready.
Good timing, Fanny.
Go, Vinny, go.
Right.
Air ball. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
It's the
gosh,
worst
he's
shot
not
I've ever
gonna
seen.
jump until he hits it. Okay.
We'll be
Never
here.
mind.
Oh,
Here he goes.
Everyone's unsubbing.
Here he goes.
Back away, I'm pushing away.
23K
out there.
people in the chat.
Wow.
All right, pass the ball. You.
Wait, Romy's going in too? W.
Yeah. No.
Cruz, push her in. Push her in, Cruz. Get her, Cruz. Push her in. Push her in.
If you push me, I will fit you in.
Go.
And
Oh my
Bro,
gosh.
this
He
is
just
so
Fell
late.
off.
Bro, he keeps I love you, bro. Thank you guys so much for watching my streams. You guys rock. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching me every single day, guys. I'm so grateful for all of you. Y'all are the best in the entire world, and you mean the world to me, chat. I love you all. Thank you. Here it goes. Here it goes.
Oh my gosh. Fenny's in the pool.
10,
Oh my gosh.
9, 8, 7,
You gotta hit it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Wow! 7 mil! Wow! Wow, we did it!
Wow.
7 million
Wow.
subscribers, everybody!
Double
Thank you,
save.
chat. Love you.
Wow.
Yeah, 6-7.
Stinky boy.
Thank you, chat. Love you
Let's
guys.
go.
Woo, let's go.
I was here in the
Yes,
chat.
sir.
Yes,
W's,
sir.
W7 mil. Come here, Shelby.
Let's go.
W's, guys. Thank you,
7
chat.
mil.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys rock. You guys rock. Thank you. Shout out to everybody in the pool.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Give me a
sir.
shout out real quick.
Stinky boy.
Shout out to Cruz in the pool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh,
We
his
just
hair.
did
No.
His hair's
Don't mess up
getting-
his hair.
Don't mess up
That's
his
better.
hair. Oh,
Oh, sugar.
Sugar is in the pool.
Whoa.
Sugar even went in.
Oh, wow. She looks like a skinwalker.
Get ready, Sugar. Go on the floaty.
Go on the floaty. Go on the floaty. Okay.
It's okay. Stay.
Cruise.
Oh, all right. Well, Shout out to everybody who's been subscribed for years or months or whatever, chat. I love you guys all so much. Thank you, everybody. Y'all are amazing. Love you, chat. All right.
With the dogs.
No.
What
All right,
happened?
bet.
What are you gonna do?
I have officially decided to celebrate 7 billion subscribers. I will be dyeing my hair again.
Wait, what color? What color?
That's a mystery that I will not
I
reveal.
know it. Can I choose?
No.
No.
Wait, what if for a stream we go to the store and get hair dye and I surprise you?
I have the color in mind. I'm not gonna announce what it is yet.
It's gonna be red, isn't it?
But if you want to be there, you can. I'm
We're
not
gonna be
saying
in LA.
I'm not
Well,
saying
you
what
should
it
do it
is.
next week. You should do it next week, and we're all there.
Do when we're all there, Shake. Do when we're all there.
Okay, maybe, potentially, possibly.
Maybe you should do it.
Okay.
W.
That'd be fun.
Woo! Chat,
W,
it's-
Steaky boy.
It's a secret. It's a secret. I'm not gonna announce what it is. It's a secret. You'll see, chat. You'll
Okay,
see.
okay. That's
Ooh.
awesome. Way to go.
Good job,
Woo!
Steaky boy.
All right, you can get out of the pool now.
Okay.
Wahoo! Wahoo!
Wahoo.
W's in the chat,
Yes, sir.
bro. So grateful, guys. Y'all have been here since the olden days. 2 years is under. You've been here since under 1 million, and you know I can't believe that, bro. That's honestly insane. 2 years. There's so many people who've been here for more than 2 years. Like, look how fast the chat's going. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm not 3 years. I'm sorry, bro. Don't be sorry. I can still chat. Let's go, dude. Sarah Rivas, you're OG. Bro, Steak, it's at 7 million sharp. I know, man. I'm so
Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Bombardiro Vaccariro. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Giraffa Lucky Block. Ballerina cappuccina. Tralalita tralala. Sondrilla Sunday. Orangutini ananas. Sigma Boy. Sondrilla Sunday. Strawberrelli Flamingelli. Gorillo Watermelon Drill. Lemonita Splashita. Gelato Lumaco. Gelato Lumaco. Gelato Lumaco. Treno Struzzo Turbo 3000. Tetete Sa... Ballerino Lolò. Coco Teddy. Berry Berry Cappuccino Assassino Bombicus.
Ay, mi gatito,
Los tralaleritos. Sondrilla Sunday. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Bombardiro Vaccariro. Gelato Lumaco. Graipus Medusi. Toto Sahur. Job Sahur. Toto Sahur. Job Sahur. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Giraffa Celestre. Treno Struzzo Turbo 3000. Tractoro Dinosauro. Tralalita tralala. La vacca Saturno Saturnita. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Tralalelo tralala.
you